The U.S. replacement tire market moves over $57 billion a year. But here is the massive industry secret nobody puts on a sign. A huge chunk of that money isn't chasing a safer tire, it's chasing shelf space, dealer margins, and a famous brand name you already trust enough to never ask questions about. In fact, in a major dealer profitability study, Goodyear's own network of dealers rated Goodyear's budget family brands as more profitable to sell per tire than Goodyear's own flagship line. Kelly scored a 7.8 out of 10 in profitability, while Goodyear's flagship line scored 6.6. The cheap tire makes the shop more money. Big box retailers like Walmart sell these exact same manufacturer-owned budget brands with zero-tier language sales pitches attached. No good, better, best script, just a price tag and a pegboard. Today, we are uncovering 6 budget tire brands sitting on Walmart shelves that are actually manufactured by premium giants like Goodyear, Michelin, and Continental. We'll look at sidewall codes, federal safety ratings, and show you how a household replacing tires on 2 cars can keep over $1,000 in their pocket without ever touching an unsafe tire. Hit that subscribe button right now, and let's start with number 1. Number 1 on our list is the Douglas All-Season. Sitting on the shelf for anywhere between $56 and $116 depending on your wheel size, picture yourself standing in that aisle, comparing that $86 Douglas tire to the Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready sitting 3 feet away at $200. Same store, same tire wall, but a $114 difference per tire. Douglas isn't some anonymous overseas gamble. Douglas is manufactured directly by the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company under a trademark. Goodyear registered specifically to sell through big box channels. Specification comparison. Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready. Features weather-reactive technology, soybean oil tread compound, a 700 UTQG treadwear grade, and a 60,000-mile warranty. Douglas All-Season features a 45,000-mile warranty and a lower treadwear rating. That 15,000-mile warranty gap is a real technical difference, but it's a slight mileage trade-off on a tire that costs less than half the price, not the difference between a safe and unsafe tire. You can verify this on the sidewall. The first 2 characters of the code reveal the exact factory that built it. Moving to number 2, the Kelly Edge. Kelly Springfield has been manufacturing tires since 1894 in Springfield, Ohio, making it genuinely the oldest operating tire brand in America. And Goodyear has owned Kelly outright since 1935, a 90-year family relationship. The Kelly Edge Touring specifically carries a 65,000-mile warranty in many sizes. That's significantly higher than Douglas and creeping right up to what Goodyear's flagship Assurance line offers. Here is a sentence straight from Goodyear's own dealer materials. Goodyear officially describes Kelly as delivering roughly 80% of a premium tire's performance for around 30% less money. Same testing facilities, same rubber chemistry, a simpler sidewall design, and a higher profit margin for the shop selling it to you. That brings us to number 3, the General AltiMAX. Our T43, this one catches drivers off guard because General tire sounds like a generic brand, with no real engineering pedigree. Continental, the German manufacturing giant behind some of the most respected tire engineering on earth, bought General Tire outright back in 1987. They manufacture these tires in a state-of-the-art radial plant in Mount Vernon, Illinois. The AltiMAX features Continental's peak anti-slip siped design for wet snow edges, alongside low-surface abrasion technology to ensure even wear over the tire's lifespan. General AltiMAX, our T43, offers a treadwear warranty up to 75,000 miles with a UTQG grade in the 600 to 700 range. Continental True Contact Tour Offers an 80,000-mile warranty with an 840 UTQG grade. It's the exact same corporate board deciding both numbers and choosing where to draw the product line. Coming in at number 4 is Cooper Tire. In June 2021, Goodyear completed a massive $2.5 billion acquisition of Cooper Tire, folding one of America's most respected independent manufacturers into its portfolio. Cooper was the 5th largest tire maker in North America with 10 manufacturing facilities worldwide. Understanding federal UTQG ratings. Every replacement tire sold in the U.S. is required by federal law to carry a UTQG uniform tire quality grading, stamp molded directly into the rubber, treadwear grade, relative wear life under controlled conditions, traction grade, AA, B, or C braking ability on wet asphalt, temperature grade, B, or C resistance to heat generation at high speeds. This is a Department of Transportation safety standard, not a brand self-serving marketing opinion. That leads right into number 5, Mastercraft, which entered the Goodyear family through that same Cooper acquisition. Mastercraft is the clearest same company, different label example on this list. Industry dealer studies put Mastercraft at a 20% market presence. Tying it directly with Kelly, tire professionals treat these budget names as legitimate, highly reliable inventory, not bottom-of-the-barrel products. Mastercraft focuses heavily on daily driver, family hauling touring tires, matching the exact vehicle profile of most commuters. Saved for last on purpose, number 6 is the Riken Raptor. Priced around $70 to $95 depending on size. Riken sounds like an obscure brand, but Riken has been owned outright by Michelin since 1992. Michelin is the single name in the tire industry that functions as shorthand for ultimate premium performance. The math comparison: Michelin Defender TH features maxed ouch construction, an 820 UTQG grade, an 80,000-mile warranty, and costs $188 per tire. Riken Raptor, manufactured under Michelin's direct corporate oversight to capture budget-conscious drivers. Real-world savings. Douglas versus Goodyear Assurance saves $116 per tire, gives over $450 saved per set of 4. Riken versus Michelin Defender saves $106 per tire, gives over $400 saved per set of 4. For a 2-vehicle household, understanding this ownership tree puts over $850 to $1,000 back in your bank account. 3 real factors do separate budget tires from flagship premium tires. Here is when you should actually spend extra money. High annual mileage. If you drive 25,000 plus highway miles a year, an 80,000-mile premium tire lowers your true cost per mile over time compared to a 45,000-mile budget tire. Severe winter driving. 3 PMSF symbol. If you drive in heavy mountain snow, look specifically for the 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake 3 PMSF rating, which basic budget lines usually lack: speed rating and load index. Never compromise on the required load index or speed rating stamped on your driver's door jamb. Here is your checklist for the tire aisle. Ignore sales scripts and good, better, best tiers. Read the sidewall UTQG ratings for treadwear, traction, and temperature. Verify the plant code to see who built it. Match your driving profile. Douglas or Kelly for local commuting. Cooper or Mastercraft for family SUVs. High treadwear premiums for heavy highway travel. You were never reckless for wanting to know the truth, and you were never cheap for wanting to save money on a federally regulated safety product. Drop a comment below telling me which tires you run, smash the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.